today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Vivo Y19. So if you have a problem with your Bluetooth device, always start from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pyro mode, and how to activate Pyro mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone, open the settings, then swipe down and go to the system management, select the backup and reset, choose the reset network settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here. Tap on the reset settings button and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go to the I'm not sure where we should go, so let's find it by the search bar. Go to the system update, and if you have an update, just install it and check for your device on the Bluetooth list again. And in the last step, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.